for both squads. First, for the visiting Cincinnati Bearcats. At guard, a 6'1" graduate student from Bishopville, South Carolina, number 1, Dave Thomas. At guard, a 6'3" junior from Orlando, Florida, number 2, Jizzle James. At guard, a 6'4" junior from Canton, Ohio, number 5, Sincere Harris. At forward, a 6'11" senior from Mallorca, Spain, number 18, Baba Miller. And at center, a 7'2" sophomore from Dakar, Senegal, number 52, Mustafa Jean. The head coach of the Bearcats is Wes Miller. He's assisted by Jack